So this is the way you bind off your stitches. This is the right side of your work, and you are going to knit one stitch, knit another stitch, and then the first one you pinch with your thumb and your needle and take it over that last one that you knitted. So knit another one, and then the first one goes over the second one. Let's do that again. Knit another stitch, and the first one goes over the second one. So knit, and the first one goes over the second one. Knit another one, and the first one goes over the second, and knit another one, and the first one goes over the second. And let's do the whole thing so you can see how it looks. See how it's nicely done. So go all the way to the end. And it needs to be like the way you knit normally. Don't make it tighter or looser, just the way that you normally knit. And then another stitch, and the first one goes over the second. Whoops, okay, there we go. And then let me tell you about this last stitch. See how wobbly that always looks? So in order not to have that happen, knit it from the back, from the strand in the back, so like that it gets twisted and it doesn't become as bad. So now you can cut your yarn and pass it. And now you see how pretty that looks. Very nicely finished. And that's it. Thank you.